Hello everybody, this is Sonia. Now I've come on here today because I have this is an entry in my competition. It wasn't in the post, it was actually hand delivered, so that's really cool. Look at that, I've got a box with these goodies in here, and on top of it, look at that, I love this butterfly and this piece here. It is so nice. Thank you so much. And I know that this is from Michelle because she brought it to the door. So I know it's from Michelle Hodge, and she is one of my subscribers here in the town, and here's, oh dear, look at this. And she sent me a little box with a beautiful card. Thank you so much for the beautiful card. I love the envelope. I don't know the card, I can see the envelope's beautiful. Oh wow, thank you so much. Isn't this beautiful? Oh dear, I love that. Isn't that lovely? Isn't that so nice? Thank you so much. And have a little letter. Maybe I should, I don't know if okay. Woohoo, congratulations on 5 years, your anniversary on YouTube. Also for uploading 1,000 videos, what a great achievement. A big thank you for sharing your talent and creativity with us all. May your craft room be always filled with glue pots, inky fingers and new crafting adventures. With loads of new subscribers, great stories to share and a few nobody panic moments. Okay. Best wishes and lots of love from Michelle. Thank you so much, Michelle. Thank you, Don. That's beautiful. Oh, look at this. Oh, look, she's got me birds. Look at the, oh, look at that. Isn't that beautiful? Wow. Oh dear, I do love this. Wowee. Oh. Oh, look everybody, isn't this beautiful, birds? Oh, look at them. Isn't that lovely? Thank you so much, Michelle. That's so nice. And in here is a nest. A nest, bird nest. Another birdie. Oh, look. Oh, nice material. Look at this piece here. Oh, this is good. This is what is wrapped in. Oh, look at that. Oh, I do like that. Thank you, Michelle. I got a bird. Look at that, everybody. There's a bird on here. Thank you for my bird. I'll put him away with my other birdies. And a nice piece of velvet ribbon. That is really cool. I'll put the birdie in the box. Oh, look at this. Oh, my goodness me. Oh, dear. Thank you. Isn't this awesome? Now the neighbours decided to rev their car. It's great of them. Look at that. Oh, isn't this cool? Isn't that neat? Oh dear, I have so many ideas now from all these pieces of fabric. Oh, look at this one. Oh dear, this is nice. Thank you, thank you, thank you. That is really awesome, isn't it? Look at that. It feels so beautiful and soft. And this piece, wow. Oh dear, I do like that. Thank you so much. I do love the colours. Thank you for that. I really do love it. Thank you very much, Michelle. Thank you. And this one, oh, look. Oh, each piece is more exciting, isn't it? Oh dear, look at that. Oh, wow. Oh, I love the colours. Yeah. And this bit too. Oh dear, I feel like a little kid in a lolly shop. Susan Freeman told me I was. but see, I can't have lollies, so this is what I have. I can't eat lollies, so I have this. I don't have chocolate, so I have this. This is my chocolate. Okay? This is my chocolate, everybody. Yep. Oh, aren't they beautiful? Thank you so much. Look at that. Oh dear, I do love that too. Oh, isn't that nice? That's just like another piece that I've got. Somebody put... It has the same sort of, yeah, wow, thank you. Oh dear, look at this. I think this goes with this. Isn't this nice? It's beautiful. Thank you, Michelle. Thank you. Oh, I do love these colours. And this one, oh dear. Oh, look at that. Oh, wow. These are really nice for backgrounds and things too, aren't they? Look at that. Oh, thank you. Look at spots. Oh, that saves you doing mixed media, doesn't it? you know, like the colours and everything. You put, yeah, I meant the background for the paint. Instead of paint, you could use this as a background of painting. Isn't it good? My goodness me, look at this. Oh, wowee. Oh, I do love that. Where did you get that from? I do love this piece too. I do love them all, but, you know, where did you get this from? Oh, you can just wrap yourself up in this. This is so beautiful. Thank you so much. I do appreciate that. Thank you so much. You are so kind. I really, really love all them pieces. Every single piece is so nice. Thank you. And the birdies and the puppy dogs and everything, and the little bird in here. Oh, it's so good. Thank you so much, Michelle. That is so kind of you to give me all them beautiful things. This lady brings me stuff all the time. She is such a wonderful person. We do sometimes have a swap, but she's such a lovely friend. Thank you so much for that. I really appreciate that. She's a very kind lady, and she's always looking after me. Thank you, everybody, for watching, and we'll talk to you later. Bye-bye.